In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your engine mount on your Mazda 3. It's located on the side on the top. So, this engine cover you can leave on if you want in order to jack up the engine to do the mount. What I recommend doing is if you're underneath the vehicle and you don't have a lift, you're going to mark the spot with a crayon for where you're going to put your piece of wood and your jack stand. Using a 17mm socket, after you've supported your engine, we're going to take out these two nuts. Using an extension and a 17mm socket, we're going to take out this bolt, and then there's one on the other side. Now you should be able to remove your mount. Now we can put this in. Again, you might have to finagle it a little bit. I'm going to place the mount on top of the studs. You may need to adjust your jack underneath if your motor mount is no good, like this one. So just jack your engine up if you don't have any thread showing on your studs. Now we're going to put our nuts on first, and then we'll do our bolts. All right, so we're going to start both our bolts down here. Do this one in the front and one in the back. If you need to, you can move the actual engine a little bit and just wiggle the bolt in, as long as it's supported below. All right, now that we have both bolts in, started on the bottom here, we're going to snug them up. And then we're going to rest our engine a little bit on the mount. Just going to ease it down slowly. Make sure everything's seated right. You want that mount to touch this bracket here. And then we can tighten up these nuts. I just had to adjust that because the other motor mount that we just took off is so broken. So we're going to snug these up. And now we're going to torque everything. I'm going to torque my bolts first, and then I'll torque the nuts, all at 80 foot-pounds. Now we can torque our nuts to 80 foot-pounds as well. And I'm just going to check them all. And now we can release the jack underneath. And you should be good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.